It is time for the raffle. 7,000 G's cash in Edgar's hand right this moment. Looks real, it's authentic. Oh, it smells like cash too. How many raffle tickets do we think we have tonight? Not 6, 7. Start the spin, my friend.
I already spun it like 3 times.
Okay, guys, stop. He opens. He reaches in. And we have a name. And I will let Edgar say the name here.
You say it.
You want me to say it? Okay. All right. The winner is from Sarah's Best Plumbing, Nicholas Chavez. Get that money, baby. Edgar, money, Nicholas. Is that yours?
Yes, it is.
That is yours, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you to our sponsors, Temporary Housing, LA Handy, Safeguard, American Plus,